This is a review for the Unit 4 test. I'm working on the first and second question here. It says find the inverse of the following. So when you have to find the inverse of a function, what you're going to do is you're going to swap y, which remember is f of x, with x and solve. So if I do that, I let x equal y and y equal x. Now I'm going to isolate y. So to do that, I'm going to bring the 4 over to the other side to get x minus 4 equals y squared. And then finally, to get y by itself, I have to square root both sides. So remember that you're going to get a plus or minus here. So the inverse function of x, which is y, remember that, equals plus or minus the square root of x minus 4. Okay, second one. Again, the original function is y equals 3x cubed, and I'm going to make this a plus 7. Okay, again, I'm going to switch x for y. And then I'm going to bring the 7 over to the other side. So I get x minus 7 equals 3y cubed. Then I'm going to take x minus 7 divided by 3 to get y cubed. And now to get y by itself, I'm going to have to cube root both sides. So when I do that, I get y equals the cube root of x minus 7 over 3. So I can write this up as the inverse function of x equals the cube root of x minus 7 over 3. So that is my answer for number 1 and for number 2. I have highlighted both of them. I'm also going to do number 3 in this video. It says for the equation f of x equals 5 to the x, fill out your y values of the ordered pairs. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and make a chart, x and y, and I'm going to go ahead and put all the negative values in this first chart. So I'm going to let x equal negative 3. So 5 to the negative third equals 1 over 5 third, which equals 1 over 125. So 3 comma 1 over 125 is the first one. X equals negative 2. 5 to the negative second, 1 over 5 squared equals 1 over 25. So negative 2 comma 1 over 25. X equals negative 1. 5 to the negative 1 equals 1 over 5 to the first, or 1/5. Okay, now I'm going to work on the rest of them. So I need 0, x equals 1, x equals 2, and x equals 3. Okay, so I'm going to do x equals 0 first. 5 to the 0 equals 1. So I have 0, 1. X equals 1. 5 to the first equals 5. So I have 1, 5. X equals 2. 5 to the second equals 25. So 225. And then finally, x equals 3. 5 to the third equals 125. So that is going to be 3, 125. Okay, so those are my ordered pairs. Number 4 says find the answer from question 3. Give the 7 ordered pairs on the graph. Okay, remember that the inverse function of exponential is logarithmic. So notice that the bases of the log is just base 5, and the base of the exponential value is 5. So these are inverses of each other. So 3 is inverse of 4. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch the x and y values to get these points. So the first point was negative 3 comma 125. So if I take the log of that, it's going to be 1 over 125 comma negative 3. So that's going to be my first value. Okay, and I'm just writing these down below so I have more room. So the second one is negative 2 comma 125. So again, I'm flip-flopping what's x becomes y and what's y becomes x. So I have 1 over 25 comma negative 2. Okay, third one, I had -1 comma 1/5. So now I have 1/5 comma -1. The next one was 0, 1, so it becomes 1, 0. The next one was 1, 5, so it becomes 5, 1. And then we have 225, which is now 25 comma 2. And finally, the last one was 3 comma 125. So now I have 125 comma 3. So that's questions 1 through 4. Thanks for watching. Continue on with your work.